Yeah. Let me know if it's going. Good? Canoeing on Salvia, take one.
Take one. There we go. Should somebody grab the ball?
Want to go around the lake?
Awesome.
Oh, man.
Stay put, bud.
Don't go anywhere, Dano.
Where's your reflection look like? Water. Yeah. He's gone.
It's all good, bud. Relax.
Just ride the wave.
That's right. Fucking. Stay put. Stay put, Dana.
Stay
Hey,
put,
Dana,
buddy.
you just want to stay where you are, man.
Just ride it
Mike,
out, man.
gotcha. Good. You're solid, bud.
You're solid, man. Don't worry about it. Just relax. Lay back. Take her ease, man.
Easy to be taken.
Easy peasy.
You're just going for a little canoe
What
ride,
the
bud.
hell is going on?
Dana, stay put, bud.
Just canoeing, buddy. So it's all good. Just chilling. Taking her ease.
Wait.
Water feel good?
That was an odd sensation.
Yeah.
Oh. What?
Hey, Dan.
Don't
Sit
stand
down,
up,
bud.
Dano. Don't stand up,
down,
buddy.
bud.
No. No, sit down. Take it easy.
Attaboy.
Just stay put, buddy. You don't want to go swimming. It's going on for forever. Yeah, man, don't worry. It's only been a couple minutes, but you'll be good in like 8. It'll stop eventually. Just ride her out. It's all cool.
Oh, yeah.
Don't feel that bad. I feel good. Yeah, it's all cool, man.
Oh, yeah.
You're just floating around in a canoe.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's all I can say. Wow is all I can say. That's all I gotta say.
Right on. Stay put,
Stay
Dan.
put, buddy.
Huh?
I'm okay now.
Are ya?
Yeah, I'm good.
How was that, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good. Yep. Okay now.
Yeah.
Good. Coming around. You sure? Yeah.
You're still up there real work.
I'm just sit here and wait.
Yeah, it might be an idea, bud.
Alright.
There's no rush.
I'll just sit here and wait, I guess. Yeah, just ride it out. Yeah. Waiting on here. Look.
You stop him.
That's the weirdest explanation. Like, I'm never gonna be able to explain that.
Well, you said wow a whole bunch. Is it close? was really weird. Like, me and Mike were in a canoe, it was tipping, but it was like landing in a store that we didn't want to be in, and you guys were in the store.
What?
We tried to keep it back, but my brain was like melting. Oh man.
Store?
I had no idea what was going on. Well, not even a store, I don't know what you call it. It was tipping, but the thing we were landing, that,